Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. An important announcement. So, coming to Mumbai after a long time, 17th and 18th of January 2026, my first workshop in 2026 will be in Mumbai. I think for a long time I have not been to Mumbai. So, in January, I will be coming definitely. Our Chennai workshop date 24 and 25. Those who are interested can look at the description for the contact numbers and can register. Coming back to market, it was a totally disappointing market today. Everybody was hoping that Nifty to take out all-time high. On the contrary, given the positive global cues, nobody expected Nifty to fall below 26,000. And if you look at the whole series, November series, if you can remember from May to October, the markets were consolidating. Only in the month of October, market broke out. Nifty shot up nearly 1,500 points in October series. Then entire November series is just a consolidation. And if you look at precisely, October series ended at 25,936. And today, Nifty closed at 25,960. Maybe only 24-25 points only. 20 trading session and 24 points, but intraday volatility was so high. And I don't know what happened to Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 600 points from intraday high to intraday low. And that too despite, HDFC Bank doing well. A 600 point intraday fall, this is such a big one. Probably this has got something to do with tomorrow's expiry. So once expiry is over, things may settle down. Now we have only one more day for expiry. So the hopes are completely gone for an all-time high close. And Nifty has to rally 300 points if Nifty has to close above all-time high. Just tomorrow, one day is not possible. Looking at the kind of selling today, I'm sure FIIs must have sold heavily. And the real pain is actually not in the Nifty. The real pain is in the broader market. Look at the Bank Nifty closed almost flat. Although morning it went up, then the gain was wiped out. But at some point of time when the Nifty was trading in negative, the Bank Nifty was trading almost 300 points higher. So whatever was gained, only that was lost. Otherwise, Bank Nifty closing was almost flat. And Nifty is down less than 0.5%. But look at the next 50, look at the mid cap, look at the small cap. The broader markets, and the people were joking in the social media, and Nifty is inching towards all-time high, but my portfolio returns are inching towards all-time low. This is a very, very pathetic market. But anyway, the hopes are alive for the month of December. And today I thought, if not moving significantly higher, I thought Nifty will close positive because the crude oil has fallen, gold has fallen, and the talk of Russia-Ukraine peace deal. So if that is signed, then automatically 25% tariff will be cut by the America. Because then, America has no reason to complain that we are buying Russian crude oil. So with so many positive factors coming into the picture, today is especially the Bank Nifty, today I would say is a pump and dump. They pumped up in the morning and dumped up in the afternoon. So anyway, we are down but not out. It was quite disappointing that 26,000 was broken on the downside. But however, this can be attributed to positioning ahead of the monthly expiry. So at least tomorrow, Nifty should cross and close about 26,000 for the bullish trend to continue. But right now, European markets are okay, US futures are also okay. Now there is a optimism that the Fed might cut the rate once again in the upcoming meeting, and there are many other things. As I told you, this Thursday, US market is closed. Friday, it functions only half a day. So there may be towards the end of the week, there may not be much action. And also GDP data is due on this Friday. So they are showing all kinds of volatility just a day before expiry today. As expected, so defense stocks, including Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, fell because of this Dubai flight crash. And not only that, all over the world, defense stocks are crashing because, there's an optimism that Russia-Ukraine war will come to an end. Yeah. So that is the picture right now. So things are not looking good right now. And as I told you, it's down but not out. And the bulls are still alive. And the Nifty will become technically short only if it falls another 600, 700 points. That's very, very far away. So this entire November series is just a matter of consolidation. So hope tomorrow also it will consolidate so that option traders can make good money. No need to say 25,900, 25,800 will be having good open interest, and upside 26,100, 26,200 all having a good amount of open interest. So anyway, the remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.